Killer Beats.
What's good, y'all? I decided to go to Rincon because I heard they had some of the best marine life and some of the best sunsets on the island. We went scuba diving with Rincon Diving and Snorkeling Company. They're all PADI certified instructors, which means it's a professional association of diving instructors. It's a worldwide organization. They have over 29 million certifications, so you can do it in different cities and states and countries. So if you're really into diving, I highly suggest you do a PADI certification before you get to Puerto Rico so you can take full advantage. So since it was my first dive, I was only able to go 20 feet deep. They ask a lot of health questions in the check-in. They're yes or no answers. If you answer yes to any of the health questions, they will not let you dive. Also, keep in mind, if you are traveling on a plane 24 hours after the scuba dive, they will not let you do the scuba dive because of the air pressure when you're flying. They do have GoPros available for you to use. We had our own, but they made us buy these buoys to make sure we strap it onto our life vest to make sure we didn't drop anything. If you don't have anything that's able to strap on the GoPro to the life vest, they will make you buy these. These were about $8. After you get through with check-in, you watch an 18-minute video on just how to scuba dive, what the rules are, how to communicate underwater, how to use the gear, and everything regarding scuba. You're gonna have to take this little test right here of that 9-question test. Once you answer yes or no to that test, everybody pretty much passes. Then we go to the next phase and get everything sorted with your gear, and then we head to the dock.
We talk about occasionally, our resident nurse shark is out there, and we call him Freddie.
Now, before you head out there, we go over all the fish that you potentially see out there on the coral reef, and she makes sure that you understand all the coral reef and all the fish that we might encounter.
Using those viewers to stir up the bottom. He has an ugly cousin called the spotted one. I saw a bunch of those out there this morning.
You have to meet at the location to check in, and it's about a 5 to 10 minute drive to the dock for the scuba dive, so I recommend that you get a rental car so you can save money on the Ubers. This is the dock where we're going to do the scuba diving in the coral reef. You see that we have our wetsuits on. She's getting us geared up and putting the tanks on our back so we can be able to go out to the water. We can do the hand signals and do the practice before we go full throttle with the scuba diving. This is a quick snippet of what it looks like to do the communication drills before we go out there and go full throttle with the scuba diving. So once you get by this, then you get to go out to the sea and explore. So I highly recommend anybody to scuba dive if they've never been before. It was definitely fun. Learned a lot, seen a lot of new fish, seen the coral, and it was a new experience for me. So if you're looking to do something new, this should be on your bucket list. Just got done with the snorkeling scuba diving. Your girl was struggling. I was at that aqua, man. I did get hit though with a couple thorns. I was scared. I was spooked for a second. We about to go now to go eat. They said there's a market every Thursday in the city center of Rincon, so we're gonna go check that out. And we're gonna go check out a spot to see the sunset. They said down here in Rincon, it's amazing.
Why you do that?
Because that's how they said. So we're gonna see. It's amazing. And yeah, we out here. The views were amazing. Check out my proposal video to see more of it. But after that, we went to the beach house to have a bite to eat before the market. It's right in front of the ocean, great views, had good food, good drinks, good vibes. So if you're down there, it's next to Domes Beach as well. Beautiful beach with a lot of good views. Definitely would recommend that if you are in the area of Rincon to see the sunsets because they are amazing. After we got done eating, we went downtown to the Rincon City Place. It was lively for the market. As you see, there's people playing the drums. They have little shops to eat at. A lot of little restaurants you can eat at around there too. So definitely was a lot of fun, relaxing, cool, beach town vibes. Recommend everybody to visit the west side of Puerto Rico. Definitely a hidden gem. Last check on the bucket list, make sure you get a jacuzzi with the view for your Airbnb. Change the whole trip. KO Buckets List is about $175 per person when we did the scuba diving. Drinks and food, the beach house is where we ate at. The Collectivo is where we had the pizza. The Rincon Beer Company is right next to it with live music. And La Capella Atlanta is an actual good spot to eat as well. Cool beaches to go to is definitely Domes Beach. Tres Hermanos is a good beach as well. Barrera is a nice beach. And Steps Beach has a staircase on the beach where you can take photos as well. So definitely Instagram worthy. KO Buckets List. See y'all soon.